Okay, and so I also wanted to go over what you're supposed to do the very first week. When you come out here, there's this video I'm going to change, so there should be a couple of introductory videos. What you should do to get started is watch the introductory videos. Then you also want to watch how to set yourself up in my language labs, because you can't really do the class until you get set up in my language labs. And just remember, this course is a continuation of Spanish 111. You should be able to comprehend and respond with increasing proficiency to spoken and written Spanish and demonstrate further cultural awareness. So when you leave, you should be able to speak Spanish a little better, write Spanish a little better, communicate in Spanish a little better, and also understand a little bit better the culture from countries where Spanish is spoken. Okay? And then remember that this course announcements, I'll always, like, if I need to communicate with you guys, I will probably post something in course announcements, which will come out as an email as well. And then I have this little block here. These tabs, they have the same information that's in your syllabus, but it also has the Skype video, so you might want to flip through this, and this shows you a picture of your My Language Lab. I just got all the My Language Labs information, and it's a lot of the same stuff that I have on the side as well. Okay, so you'll want to watch those videos, and then you're going to want to open up week 1. Week 1 is going to tell you what pages to study and what you hope to accomplish upon studying them. So study pages 98 to 103, 114 to 123, and 136 to 142. After you complete the assignments below and you've studied those pages, you should be able to describe yourself to others, be able to converse with others in Spanish about your family. You should be able to conjugate E to I, and O to U, stem changing verbs, and use the irregular verbs poner, salir, and traer in sentences. Finally, you should understand the difference between the verbs saber and conocer and when to correctly use them. All assignments for this week are due by the end of the day, 1/12/2006, and they address SLOs 1 and 2. So if you go back to your syllabus where it has student learning outcomes, these are the student learning outcomes that it addresses. The first assignment that you need to do is here. You're always going to have a book in each week, and in this book there's going to be videos, and these videos explain the lessons to you, and it's going to be pretty intense this first time through, simply because we have a little bit of review too. I need to make sure that everybody is in good shape with Sarah and a Star. So you'll want to watch the Sarah and a Star videos. Then we start the new stuff, which is chapter 4. So we'll do chapter 4 vocabulary, and we're going to look at some of the stem changers and some irregular verbs. Okay, so after you click on each video, actually let me go back in. When you click on a video, it looks kind of small right here, but remember, you can always click out to YouTube, or you can click this and make it full screen so that it's bigger and able to be watched. Okay, so then after you've done that, then you're going to go into this class participation forum, and this is something you're going to do every week, and you're just going to post to me any questions or concerns you have about the class and the material. And then I'll look at it when everybody's posted, and I'll respond back and try to answer whatever questions you have. Also, this week, you need to look at your syllabus, which can be found here, and I went over in one of the other videos. Whoops. And then you're going to open the syllabus questions forum, and you're going to open it up and hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about the syllabus or the class. Okay, and then you're going to go to My Language Labs, and you're going to complete these activities and this quiz, which is just on Sarah and Star, which should be a review of 111. Okay, and hopefully that explains to you what you need to do for week 1.